Face shields alone aren't as effective as stopping the spread of COVID-19 as a face mask, and this video shows why. It's part of a new study from Florida Atlantic University. Researchers used a mannequin head to simulate coughing and sneezing with a face shield on. While the shield did block the initial forward motion of a simulated jet of a cough or sneeze, the droplets were still able to move around the visor with relative ease and spread out. They also found a large number of droplets can pass through an N95 mask with a valve. The death of Black Panther star Chadwick Boseman has drawn new attention to colon cancer. For one Ohio man, the loss hit home, and he's hoping the tragedy, as well as his own story, will save lives. Mandy Gaither explains.
He was training for a marathon, had no family history of colorectal cancer, but in 2017, Sean Ferris started having symptoms. After a colonoscopy, he was blindsided.
I've got cancer at 45 out of nowhere. It was just the gut punch.
According to a 2018 report in the journal Molecular Oncology, cases of colorectal cancer in those under 50 have been increasing yearly by 2% since 1994.
This is preventable.
Dr. Daryl Gray, a gastroenterologist at the Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center, says be on the lookout for these symptoms: blood in the stool, unintentional weight loss, anemia, change in the stool, and chronic bloating. There are multiple methods of screening, including a colonoscopy, where a camera examines the entire colon and polyps or growths can be removed.
If there is a cancer there, we want to detect it early, because if we detect it early, greater than 90% of the time, it's curable.
Farrah's cancer progressed to stage 4, but after chemo and surgeries, there's no longer any evidence of the cancer in his body now.
We can't let the stigma around this whole thing cause more deaths for people.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
Doctors say your lifestyle is key in lowering your risk for colorectal cancer. You can do that by not smoking, eating less red meat and processed foods, as well as eating more fruits and vegetables. And if you're going to drink alcohol, do it in moderation.